So this would be the second part of our lecture on introduction, which is about research gap spotting. Alright, so the previous lecture, we discussed the importance of research, the relevance of research in the pharmacy field, and also how to make or how to arrive with a researchable problem and how to make it specific. What are the techniques in order for us to answer or to manage it in our own level or at this level and with the limitations that we have during this pandemic. Okay, so furthermore, we will going to discuss the technicalities, so we will be guided on how to really do it the right way. So first and foremost, if we have already identified the research problem, as I have mentioned prior last meeting, we have to know also the gap. What is a research gap? If you can remember, if you have already known the different evidences from the research problem that you have chosen, you also have to identify these things here. What are the things that you still need to know about your research problem? So after reading different sites, after reading different journal articles, you have to ask yourself, what do we still need to know about this topic? What else do we need to know to improve the practice? For example, if we want to focus on specific practice on pharmacy. So based on the picture here, there is a big gap that you need to fill in. You need to bridge. So as a researcher, it is your responsibility to do so. Now, there are pictures here. These are clues, or these are the things that you need to do in order to bridge this gap. Or first of all, in order to spot what is the gap, to identify the gap. So you need to identify it before knowing how to bridge it. Once you have identified it, that's the time you would do all of this. The review of related